So I need you to remove whatever other sales trainer said anything else right now. The only purpose in the first 10 seconds is to what? This. Create emotional safety so they can be open and honest. That's it. How do you do that? Acknowledgement. Watch how quickly this works. It's not a tactic, it's human behavior. It's not a tactic in human behavior. It's that every human being wants to be acknowledged, guys. They just do. All of you are yearning to be acknowledged because somewhere in your life, you're not being acknowledged by mom or dad or didn't. They're showing up unsafe. They're showing up not trusting you, not because of you. It's because they're projecting their unsafety in their relationship onto you. They're projecting their kids that just, spilt coffee on their lap. And they're like, this fucking sucks. They're entering with the narrative of I'm not safe. So your job was to make them feel safe. That's it. By acknowledging them is the number one way out of all the work I've ever done, out of all the experiences I've ever experienced, the fastest way to safety is acknowledgement. How do you acknowledge somebody? Simple. Chan, I acknowledge you for showing up today. Seriously, you didn't have to fucking show up here. What time is it over there, Chan?
Midnight.
You're in fucking midnight. Man, you showed up. It took courage. And I just want to honor you for that. And you didn't fucking have to. You could have went to sleep. But you chose something different. You chose to learn and discover something new about yourself. And what that means is that you're ready to rise as a man, not only in your commissions in your life, but as a man, and grow and evolve. And what that means is that you're ready for the next level. And it's happening right now. I'm excited for you. I'm excited that you're here for this last 45 minutes. How's that feel when I say that, Jen?
Makes me feel very good.
Yeah, that's acknowledgement. So I just did what I'm going to show you the framework. Safety frame is I acknowledge you for. You recognize the courage for showing up, booking the call, and being honest. So it's I acknowledge you for action, contrast, meaning. If you want the frame, this is the frame. Don't get too caught up in the frame. If all you do today and all your calls tomorrow is say I acknowledge you for, that is enough. That is human. That's you being you. Go that route. If you get in your head and this frame is too much, simplify it. Do not go here. I acknowledge you for showing up. What's the behavior that you want to actually truly acknowledge them for? Right? Hey, you filled out the application. I acknowledge your openness. You were so open in an application, right? I acknowledge the fact that you showed up on time. What it means, because most people don't always come on time. So what you're doing is you're normalizing their fear or elevating their courage. Most people don't even get on a call like this. Most people book a call and they're terrified to show up. You showed up. That means something. What does it mean? Whatever it means. It tells me you're serious about changing this. It tells me that you really care about your future. It does mean that. They need to know what it means because they're looking for you to tell them that. It's like the more juicier you can make it without being like a script or a frame, coming from human, the more they're like, I really trust you. Oh, I want more of you. I want more of that. Okay? It's like, oh, give me more. Oh, fuck. Like, I'm sold. Guys, this is how you sell it, not sales. This is how you have to enroll them in you. Sales is an enrollment game. You've heard me say that. You're the first person they must be enrolled in. It's you. How do you enroll them in you? Make it about them. You acknowledge them. Humans want to be acknowledged. Watch what happens today when you all do this. By the way, Part of your mission too is to acknowledge people in your life every day. This is not going to happen just in sales. Mission number 3, okay, mission 1 is to apply this in the sales part. We did internal, now we're in external. Mission 2 is every day, all of you are going to acknowledge one person. Every day. You're going to do a voice note. Okay. Hey, John, I'm dropping this audio to you. I want to acknowledge you. I acknowledge you for 1, 2, 3, 4. I acknowledge you for last week. You know, we had a Zoom call. It was amazing. I acknowledge the way you showed up. You know, I loved your mission that you stood for. I loved your business and the brand that you're building. And I just want to say I'm excited for you. I acknowledge this. I acknowledge that. Just want to say no need to respond back. I just want to acknowledge you. Right? That might be a business owner. Right? Prospect. Hey, prospect, we met 2 days ago. I'm shooting this audio to you, just let you know, acknowledge the courage it took to show up on the call. Right. And I know I acknowledge the fact that you had fear come up, and I felt the fear and I experienced the fear. And I acknowledge your courage to be vulnerable with me on that call. I know it wasn't easy for you. I wanted to acknowledge you for sharing from your heart on what you actually want in your business, because I must be not many people, you may not have shared that to other people. I'm here for you. I'm excited for you. And I look forward to a call on Monday. This is one of the missions, acknowledgement tool. This is a tool called the acknowledgement tool. This is going to make you all a lot of money. I've been waiting to give you guys this tool. Right? For this specific, this was the perfect time. So the acknowledgement tool, I'm just seeding this in. Again, I'll give you all a wrap up after this, like the missions. But the acknowledgement tool is so powerful. It will change your entire relationship, your partner, with your kids. It'll change your relationship with your kids. It's an audio, it's a video, or a text. Okay. The acknowledgement tool is also, and I'm seeding this, but I'm going to come back to this. The acknowledgement tool is also, I honor you for, I acknowledge you for, and I appreciate you for. I acknowledge you for, I honor you for, and I appreciate you for. It could be a situation from 5 years ago. It could be a situation from last week. It could be something that happened this morning. Hey, you were on my mind today. I do this every day, multiple times a day. This rebuilds connection and relationships, guys. It rekindles fire in relationships. Burnt relationships to loving relationships. Burnt prospects to prospects that fall in love with you. I acknowledge you for, I honor you for, I appreciate you for. And there's another one I love you for. That's the one I do with my kids. I send my kids a voice note, right? I deposit love. These are called deposits. These are called daily deposits. You're depositing into the relationship. More money in sales by depositing more into the relationship. Okay, do not believe the people that say follow up don't do follow up. Yes, follow up. Okay, but follow up with intention, meaning if it's within 7 days, right, you can automate a process to create follow up. Meaning day number 3, you send a voice note to everybody to acknowledge them. I promise you, and I don't guarantee you, but if you sent a follow up acknowledge in your SOP post no to everybody, 40 of those a month, I could probably almost promise you, I don't want to say it 100%, that 1 to 3 of them are going to be like, I trust that guy. I don't know why I didn't go with that guy. You're my guy. You're my guy now, or you're my guy in a month. And they will buy from you by deep trust of acknowledgement. So I'm just painting different ways to do this. This is the acknowledgement tool. Your mission, acknowledge one person a day, and apply these 5 frames.